Hello, everyone. The tomato industry in the U.S. is an important part of the agricultural industry, contributing both economically and nutritionally to the country. Today, we will learn how farmers grow and harvest millions of tons of tomatoes. Before planting, the soil needs to be properly prepared. This involves tilling the soil to break up clumps and incorporating organic matter or fertilizer to provide needed nutrients to the plants. Tomatoes prefer fertile, well-drained soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.8. Sandy or loamy soils are ideal. Tomatoes need steady moisture, especially during the fruiting stage. Provide 1 to 2 inches of water per week, making sure the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. During soil preparation, soaker hoses are installed to deliver water directly to the root zone and reduce the risk of foliar diseases. After completing the land preparation process, the seedlings in the grass garden will be transferred here for planting. In most parts of the United States, this usually occurs in the spring. Proper spacing between tomato plants is essential for good airflow, which can help prevent disease. Typically, tomato plants are planted 18-36 inches apart in rows with 3 to 5 feet between rows. Once transplanted, tomatoes require regular care throughout the growing season. Tomatoes are harvested in mid to late summer, usually starting around July and lasting through September. Mechanical tomato harvesting has revolutionized commercial tomato production, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Harvesters are now equipped with integrated sorting and cleaning systems to separate ripe tomatoes from leaves, stems, and other debris as they are harvested. Processing areas in California account for 90% of U.S. production and 35% of world production. In 2018, tomato production in the U.S. reached 13 million tons. Let's enjoy watching how farmers harvest. After the stems and leaves are removed, these farmers will inspect and remove damaged tomatoes. After harvesting, trucks will transport tomatoes straight to the factory for processing. Next, let's see how the ketchup factory is produced. Let us know what you think in the comments section of this video. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.